the sky. Also on the faces of the people walking by, I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. While your babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn so much I'll never know. Yeah, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah. Did you like that? You like that song? You do? Do you like whistling? Some birds like whistling. You never heard whistling? Oh, this is whistling. Hold on. You're right, that is my place up there. That is my place up there. You're right. And you're welcome to come up and visit me anytime. Anytime you want, you come up and visit me. Yeah, that's my place. Right up there. That's me. I'm gonna go up there now. Looks like we have some friends today. Beautiful friend. How you doing, my beautiful friend? Yeah, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. Nice of you to come by. Look at those beautiful feathers. So pretty. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful bird. Birdie. Can I come out here with you? All right, you want to get up there? That's fine. Yeah, beautiful day. Look at those beautiful feathers. I like your little two white feathers that come off the back of your head. They're very pretty. Very pretty. Yeah. Pretty friend. You come by and visit you. You come by and visit anytime. Anytime at all. It's beginning to rain. Yeah, I feel the little droplets, don't you? Yeah, you. Yeah, it's beginning to rain. Well, I saw you out here, so I had to come out and say hi. Yes, I did. I love you very much. Beautiful friend. You are. You're a beautiful friend. I haven't looked up what kind of bird you are yet, so I have to do that. Let's get a little zoom in on you here. Because you're such a beautiful friend. Yes, you are. Birdie, birdie. Looking so fine. Birdie, birdie. Beautiful feathers. Oh, yeah. Your feathers are gorgeous. Yes, they are. Beautiful feathers. Beautiful. Yes, they are. Beautiful feathers. I love how you shake it around, too. Those little white feathers are very cool. Very cool. It makes you very unique. Yes, it does. Pretty bird. Alright, I'm going to go back inside. I just saw you out here. I figured I'd come out and say hi. You're welcome to hang out. I'll even come out and hang out with you a little bit. I got a few things I got to do first. Pretty birdie. Yeah. Beautiful thing you come by to visit me. Alright, I'll come out in a little bit. Pretty birdie. Look at that. We got some beautiful friends out here.